CMMXYZ is North America's leading independent measurement services provider. Since 1986, CMMXYZ has been providing the latest technology and services in the metrology industry. We offer you the widest variety of new and used coordinate measuring machines, as well as flexible measurement solutions that allow you to bring precision measurements to the shop floor. These solutions include portable coordinate measuring machines, white light scanners, and laser trackers. All of our pre-owned machines undergo a rigorous 31-point service check and are backed by a 30-day warranty, making CMMXYZ the smartest choice for your used CMM purchase. Our experienced service department includes highly skilled and specialized professionals who are equipped to service and maintain all types and brands of CMMs. Our expertise in upgrading, retrofitting, and rebuilding coordinate measuring machines allows you to substantially increase the life of your machine. CMMXYZ is ISO IEC 17025 accredited and has an ISO 9001 certified quality system. Our scope includes CMMs, vision systems, portable arms, and optical projectors. We offer calibration services for CMMs and portable arms. We provide comprehensive training on all our products. This training is either available in our fully equipped training room, your facility, or online. Our measurement services laboratory has the largest range of coordinate measuring machines and vision systems dedicated to contract inspection. We are also specialists when it comes to portable scanning solutions. Whether you need large parts or small microcomponents measured, we have the capabilities to measure anything. If you can make it, we can measure it. Visit us at our facility or online at cmmxyz.com.